Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna make Indomie mie goreng chili oil. For ingredients, let's check down below. For ingredients, you will need 2 packs of Indomie mie goreng, garlic, chopped fine, green onion, just the green part, salt, and chili flakes. So in a bowl, you want to add about 3 cloves of garlic, finely chopped, a little bit of salt, chili flakes, green onion, Indomie seasoning, When everything's ready, now we're gonna cook our noodle and heat up some oil. You need about 3 tablespoons of oil. So noodles already in, we're gonna cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now, my oil is hot and my noodle is ready. Now we're gonna pour the hot oil around here. We're gonna mix it. When it stops sizzling like this, now we're gonna add our noodle. Now we're gonna mix it. So after you mix it evenly, I'm gonna garnish with sunny side up egg and the green onion, the egg, and green onion. And there you go guys, the Indomie chili oil is ready to go. Give it a try, really simple, really easy, it's very tasty. So that's it for our today's video guys. If you guys like this video, please give us a like, comment, share, and please don't forget to subscribe, because subscribe it's cost you nothing, but it really helps us. So thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.